Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Venmo transaction declined. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser and on the search bar simply type in help.venmo.com, and once you do that you'll be redirected to the Venmo Help Center page. Now all you gotta do is click on Payments and Transfers, and once you click on Payments and Transfers, here what you need to do is click on Payments, and once you click on Payments, here what you need to do is click on Declines, and once you click on Declines, here what you need to do is click on Payment Decline. Once you are here, scroll down until you find the option that says Submit a Request, and once you do that, you'll be transferred to the Contact Us page where you should be able to see your form. Now all you gotta do is fill in the form with the relative details, and once you do that, here on the Tell Us What's Up, what you need to do is briefly explain about the problem that you are facing and attach a screenshot at the attachment sections if possible. And once that's all done, click on this submit option, and after a couple of business days the Venmo support team will reach out to you and fix your issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.